What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel. And as y'all already see by the title, I'm going to be making my lace go from this to this, period. So I'm not going to do all of that ramble. I'm going to just go ahead and get into the video. But if you are already subscribed to me, welcome back, my babies. And if you are new, I want y'all to go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the post bell notification so y'all can be notified every time I post a new video. So let's go ahead and get into this video. As y'all see what I'm doing, I have my makeup brush and I'm taking my makeup brush. This is complicated to explain, but I'm taking my makeup brush and pushing down on the lace can actually stick onto the makeup brush so that it could automatically just cling onto it, and I'm spinning it while pulling it back, so I'm spinning but pulling at the same time so that the glue could get all onto the makeup brush, if that makes sense. I knew that it was going to be hard for me to explain, but look, I'm trying. So as y'all see, I'm taking the makeup brush and I'm rotating it. I'm turning it, but I'm also jacking away from it, jacking away from the lace so that it could lift, so that the glue could lift up and go onto the makeup brush. So, and as for taking it off, I'm going to say push it closer to the tip, like closer towards the end of the brush so that you literally could just pull it off. Like you could just rub your fingers and push it closer to the front till it all come in like one little ball and take it and throw it away. Okay, so once again, I am pressing down on the lace but rotating the brush, and I'm jacking away from, I'm pulling away from it. I'm pulling it closer towards me, so like I said, so that the glue could get onto the makeup brush. And the more glue you get onto the makeup brush, which that's why they say it's kind of best to keep a little on it or just to have that stickiness on it. But the stickiness, the more stickiness you have to your makeup brush, it pulls off more glue. So like y'all see, I'm just rotating the brush and pulling it, and it's literally just coming off. Like I didn't need to put any water on it. I didn't need to wash it. I didn't need to do none of that because I knew it had glue on it, like only glue on it. So I knew it had, of course, you know, makeup and stuff like that. But as far as like the main thing I really needed to get off was the glue. So after I did this, I literally applied that wig on my head. So meaning I did not have to wash it, like I said, or nothing like that. So as y'all see, that is before and that was after. So I'm just speed this part up. And like I said, back with taking it off the brush, you just push everything closer towards the tip of it, and then you take it all in like one little, you just throw it away, just discard it. So throughout this video, I'm gonna just continue to do the same thing. I'm still speeding it up because it's literally the same thing. I'm just rotating my brush. I'm just trying to get in like the smallest places just to get all that glue off of it. So as y'all see on the left side, you know, all that I did, it just literally got all that glue off in, you know, less than some minutes just of doing that and not having to wash it or nothing. So like I said, I'm gonna just continue to keep speeding this up because it's literally the same motion every time. It never fails. So you just continue doing everything that I am doing, just rotating brush and discarding that glue off of it. Now look at that lace, and I didn't even wash it. Like, just look at it. It just looked brand new already. But I'm getting there, y'all. It's going closer towards the end. So So I'm literally just going and checking, you know, if any glue is like actually on the lace. I just put some water on it. I sprayed just to see if anything might change, but it literally made it look new, like good as new. That was before. All of that glue, and that's after. So this is literally right after I had applied it. Look at that, y'all. Effortless. Effortless. So y'all, thank y'all for watching my video, and see y'all soon.